Very, very powerful aeroplane, because he's not actually designed as a glider tug. When he comes round, look at the position the pilot's in. He's sitting way up above the fuselage. It's like he's sitting in an armchair bolted to the top of the fuselage. And there's a good reason for that, because he needs a really, really good view, because the Piper Pawnee was designed as an agricultural aeroplane. Sitting just in front of the cockpit, in between those struts, you see the struts on top of the wing? Well, sitting in between those, a great big hopper that can carry agricultural chemicals, insecticides, all sorts of things, are running along the back of the wing, or I should say, usually running along the back of the wing, not on this particular aircraft, are a load of spray bars. So what this aircraft was intended to do was fly very low over a field. It's not only an international competition glider, it's also fully aerobatic, and he's currently upside down. And just to show off, rolling around their formation is the Silence Twister. Now you might recognise that wing shape on the Silence. Now this is one of Guy's specialities, and at the Southport Airshow last year he actually set a world record of 21 consecutive rolls. Now I've counted 4 so far. Yeah, ended up with 6 at the end there. You see he's got the orange smoke. Now, I told you earlier that the smoke trail left behind aircraft like the Twister. I'll tell you something else that's unbelievable. At high altitude in the cruise, this glider is perfectly capable at 200 knots. That is quite a machine. Anyway, we're sitting at Duxford Airshow, and Guy had just started doing this. And he came in the commentary box and he said, we have to christen the rope. All the aeroplanes have a name, all the pilots have a name, but the rope does not have a name. So we want to christen the rope. So we've got a bottle of mineral water and we had a very serious ceremony. And look at this, flicking end over end over end. When have you ever seen a glider do a Loncevac? Because I never have. Well, not until then. That's quite something. So he said, we've got to christen the rope. I said, all right, what are we going to call it? And he said, we want to call the rope Roderick. So we got the bottle of water, we poured it over, and we had a proper ceremony on air, on the commentary, christening the rope Roderick. And the reason they wanted to call the rope Roderick, has anybody here seen Monty Python's Life of Brian? Because the radio call when Guy releases from the back of the tug is, release Roderick. Pushing around an outside half loop and going straight into a series of aileron rolls there. And this is energy management at its absolute best. He's diving to gain speed, to pull up into a manoeuvre. Again, he's trading speed for height and back again. Almost coming to a stop, going over the top of that half loop, rolling on the diving fibre and glass fibre. So strong as a truck, but graceful as a swan. I don't believe he got down to about 20 feet there and pulled up for a final roll. Now watch this, the gear's coming down. Has he got enough height to get over those trees over there to land on the next field? Well, we're about to find out, but Guy Westgate is the master at judging how much energy there is in his aeroplane. As you can see, he's made it with... And as he lands, coming in from the left to give us a final pass, the Pawnee tug and the Twister. Give him a big wave, ladies and gentlemen. That's an incredible display. That is so different.